Today we are looking at this KMA1 Pro Slim and Sleek backlit keyboard mouse combo for Mac. Love the fact right off the bat that this comes with a mouse and the keyboard. Half the time you have to buy them separately. We're gonna go get this set up and I'm gonna walk you through all the benefits. All right, let's see what comes inside this package right over here. So it comes wrapped really nicely. So we'll see we have the keyboard right over there. Underneath here is the mouse. Right over here, it looks like this might be the charger for everything, which is nice. It looks like we have a user manual in there as well. So let's get this set up a little bit and then I'll go through all the features. All right, we now have it connected. Super easy to connect. Literally, you're just gonna switch this button from off to on, and then open your Bluetooth settings right over there, and then you're gonna connect it. Same with the mouse. Love that fact, super nice. Over here, once we get this keyboard going, you'll have this nice backlit-ness of the keyboard. Really, really like this. Love the fact that you have a numbers pad right over here as well. Most keyboards do not have that, which is nice. This is a really sleek design. I like the fact that there's a trackball here as well. You'll see it just moves really, really nicely and easily. Just love the sleek design. This is definitely great for our MacBook Air. So if you're looking for a great keyboard, mouse setup, it doesn't require batteries, it could just be charged, it connects seamlessly via Bluetooth. Definitely check this out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.